Installation, you will need a small flathead screwdriver. The dome light is located in the center of the vehicle. There are holding clips on the housing lens. Using the small flathead screwdriver, pry open the housing lens starting from this side and follow along. Remember to align the tabs when installing the new bulbs. Remove the existing incandescent light bulb. Install the new LED light bulb. Repeat the same steps on the other side. Remove the incandescent light bulb. Install the new LED light bulb. And then test it. Lastly, mount the housing lens back into position. Now you can see the difference between ALA lighting LED lights and the incandescent lights.